Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today I have a wireless charger to unbox. As you can see in front of you, we have the box it comes in. Apologies, let me just, yep. So there's a little brand up there. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but let's go around the box. Here's the back of the box. I'm not sure if you guys can read that, but yep, there it is. And there seems to be some sort of, okay, yeah, so to open this, I'm assuming we just cut it open like that there, and there should be one at the back. Yep. Just gonna open it off this side. Oh yeah, I should say that this was about 14 Canadian dollars. It was one of the cheaper wireless chargers on Amazon.ca. Link will be in the description below. Yeah, it was one of the cheaper ones, but it had a lot of good reviews, I do remember. So I decided to pick this one up. Alright, there's the charging base. And over here is the little cable. It's a micro USB. So let's see how long it is. It's quite long. It's about I'd say 3 feet. Yeah, 3 feet or 2.5. It's not too long, but it's decent. Now to take this out, the charger itself. Okay, there seems to be a little paper at the bottom. Operating instructions. It does not come with the little wall outlet adapter. I'm not exactly sure what to call this, but yeah. So let's set this up. Seems like you can just pull it up like that. Yep, just like that. Seems very stable. It has these little pads at the bottom as well, so it's not moving around very much. It does add a little bit more friction, so it's more stable. All right, and I'm pretty sure you can charge this both ways, as it's lying down or standing right up. So I have a wireless charger with me. I'm just gonna connect this to it. We're gonna try this out right now. Let's see where this goes. Okay, so it's just at the back. There we go. Now I'm just gonna put my phone on it. My phone actually has a case on it. It's a little light case. My other wireless charger is still able to charge this through the case, so I'm just gonna see if this is also able to do the same. Yep, and it works. It's charging right now, as you can see, and the little animation that appeared in front of the phone. But yeah, there we go. This little blue light. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. There's a little blue light under there. I'm recording on the GoPro. The GoPro turns off after a couple of seconds, so it's kind of hard to know what's in the frame. But yeah, so if you're not charging, it just stays off, which is pretty nice. But yeah, let's try it when it's laying down. Maybe the wireless charger ran out of juice or something. Let's try it again when it's standing up. Yeah, the wireless, this portable, oh no, it's actually working. Okay, now let's flip it down. Yeah, it's still working. Let's take it off and put it back on. Yeah, it's still working. Alright, so yeah, you can do it as it's laying flat or staying upright. I'm not sure if there's any in between. Yeah, there only seems to be 2 options. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, but if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.